In this video, we're going to take a closer look at how you can add already existing opted-in contacts to your group texting account. So let's explore these options by clicking on the Contacts option on the left navigation menu. And first, we're going to choose the Add a Contact option. On the Add a Contact page, I can manually enter the details of my contact individually. I can start with the phone number, which is the only required piece of information. And then I can also add first name, last name, email address, and notes if I like. So I'll go ahead and do that now. Now, the next step will be to choose the group or groups that you want to add the contact to. So I'm going to add this contact to the customers group by placing a check mark to its left. And of course, I could add it to any other group I desire by placing check marks. I'm going to save my changes. And I'm taken to the Browse Contacts page where I see that the contact has been added and it was manually added in the source. And I can also see the confirmation at the top of the page here in green. Now, if you're going to be adding a number of contacts that have already opted in, you're not going to need to add them individually one by one. That could be very time consuming. So you can absolutely upload a list of your contacts by clicking the Mass Upload Contacts option here. On the Import Contacts page, the first step is going to be either choosing one of your existing groups or creating a new group to add the contacts to. So I'm going to choose my customers group, and then I can move on to choosing my file. Now, if I'm going to be uploading from a spreadsheet, I want to make sure that my file is formatted as shown in the screenshot at the bottom of the page here. We see that phone numbers are in column A, first names in column B, last names in column C, email addresses in column D, and any notes that I have in column E. The only thing that I need is the phone number, but it does need to be in column A for this upload to be successful. If I would rather paste in my phone numbers, I can click the click to paste my phone numbers link, and a box will drop down that I can paste my phone numbers into. Now, if I'm going to be pasting in my phone numbers, I want to make sure that I follow the formatting as shown on the bottom of the page here. So we see here that it should be phone number, comma, first name, comma, last name, comma, email address, and then any notes. Again, the only piece of required information is the phone number. So if that's all you want to add, you just need to add them one number per line, and then of course paste them into the provided field up at the top of the page. Now, if you are going to be pasting in your phone numbers, I highly recommend that you do compose the document in a word processor and a notepad, and this way you'll avoid a timeout, because after 10 or 15 minutes rather of inactivity, your account will actually be timed out. And though you may be adding the numbers, the system, if you're not clicking around, it'll think that you're inactive, and so you could spend all that time typing out those phone numbers and lose that data if it was the timeout. So be sure, type it externally, paste it into the paste field here. Now, I'm actually going to upload a file today, so I'm going to click there, and I'm going to choose my file by clicking the button. I can simply click the file that I want to upload, and once it's chosen, I'll see the name here. I can agree to the terms and import my contacts. When I click the import button, I'm taken back to the groups page, and I can view at the top that my import is being processed. If I refresh the page, I'll see here that I had a total number of valid contacts added, and then one invalid phone number was skipped. Now that invalid phone number was my header row, so I know that that's okay in this example. So that covers the ways in which you can add already existing opted-in contacts to your account. Be sure to check out our other videos to see some ways in which contacts can opt in and add themselves automatically. Thanks for watching.